Hello. Now we'll start the discussion where we have stopped. Okay, we have I think stopped till here. Till here we had completed. Now next line. Substances like wood, wax, plastic, oil, butter float on water because the density is less than water. See, this is water. Let's suppose this is water, and if we keep an object on it, and if it floats, it means that its density is less than water. Its density is less than water. But if the same object sinks down, it means that its density is larger. Density is more than water. It means this, okay? So that's what this sentence is saying. Next is aluminium foil, due to its shape, floats on water, but aluminium cube will sink in water. This is very important sentence. See, I will explain this, okay? Let's suppose this is a container. This is water. If aluminium foil, see this one is you all students I think better know what is aluminium foil now. So let's suppose this is an aluminium foil, and if we keep that aluminium foil as like a paper, then it will do, it will float. It will float. But if we mold this aluminium into a cube, then this cube will sink in water. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that density of this paper one foil is less, but density of this cube is more. Good. Next is weight is equal to mass into gravitational acceleration. This means weight, actually the thing is, see, this is our mother earth, and like we are standing here. Okay, so earth is pulling us with a force, and that force is known as gravitational force. What we call it as gravitational force. Okay, then gravitational force only means weight. If gravitational force, the unit of force is also Newton and unit of weight is also Newton, because weight itself is a force. Weight is actually the force experienced by a body due to pull of earth. So weight is force. So see here in this paragraph, it is written that weight is equal to mass into gravitational acceleration. This is the formula that you have to learn only. Weight is equal to mass into g. G means gravitational acceleration. Next is W is equal to mg. That means the same, W is equal to m into g, or W is equal to mg. Both are same only. And the value of g is 9.8. It is not like on earth it is 9.8, but on moon it will be 9.8 divided by 6. It will be 6 times smaller. Next, unit of weight is Newton in MKS unit and dynes in CGS unit. as it is a force. See, in first only I have told you that weight is force. Weight is force experienced by a body due to pull of earth. You may note this definition. Weight is the force experienced by a body due to pull of earth. So unit of both are same. Force its unit असते Newton and force its unit असते dyne. Next, weight is measured by spring balance. Weight is measured by spring balance. Write it down. I think you all have written it in the notebook. Weight is measured by spring balance. Spring balance. Next, when lift is going up, we feel increase in weight. See, the thing is, this is lift. Okay, if the lift is moving upwards, then we will feel that our weight is increasing because it is going up. And if the lift is going down, then we will feel that our weight is decreasing. You may learn it like this. Up, lift going up, that means weight increasing, weight also going up. And if lift going down, that means weight is decreasing, like this. Okay, next, to measure time, which is fundamental quantity, in olden days, people used sand clock to measure. They also used periodic events. See, what is sand clock? In many cartoon films you have seen it, I know, because many of you see cartoon till now. This is sand. So it comes down as the time passes. It comes down and comes down. As the sand finishes, that means the day also finish. Okay, now we'll continue in the next slide. Next, this one. Okay, let me just mark up. Okay, now periodic events like sunrise, sunset, length of shadow, full moon, no moon. Now how it is? So like sunrise, if the sun is rising, then the people know that the day has begun. If sunset, that means people know that the day is ending. If the length of shadow is small, then the people know that it is 12 noon. If the length of shadow is more, then the people know that the sun is on their left hand side or right hand side where the sun is, and what is the time of the day, that we know. If it is full moon, then we know that in after 15 days it will be no moon day. This way they actually predict the time, olden days people. Next is modern clocks have gears and wheels which have periodic motion. You have modern clocks, na? Digital clocks. Like it tells us it is 12 o'clock now, or it is 12:05. This we know from digital one. Next, electronic and digital are more accurate. If the question comes that which is the most accurate one, then it is digital one only. Accurate time required for running, swimming is measured by stopwatch, because we want that because you know, if the एक फर्स्ट पोजीशन का बॉय है उसको अगर 10 सेकेंड्स लगते हैं और जो सेकंड पोजीशन में आता है उसको 8.1 सेकेंड लगते हैं, तो सेकेंड में डिफरेंस होता है, इसलिए उसके लिए हम लोग स्टॉप वॉच यूज़ करेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट is there are many instruments. Type of measuring instrument decides the accuracy of the measurement. Smallest possible accurate measurement is known as least count. I have told this in the class. अरे तुला नाही ऐकायचंय, नंतर ऐकायचं तुझा.
तू अर्धच व्हिडिओ केला.
हा ना, त्याच्या पुढचं करते ना. प्लास्टिक स्केल Plastic scale least count is 1 mm, vernier caliper is 0.1 mm, protractor is 1 degree, and screw gauge is 0.01 mm. Next sentence is light year. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. You may think that year is unit of time, but it is not so. It is not so. Year is a unit of distance. It is a unit of length. It is length. It measures distance, and distance is length and not time. Distance between two stars, galaxies, is measured in light years. One light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. Angstrom is very small unit. It is used to express dimensions of atom and molecule. 1 angstrom is 10 raised to power minus 10 meters. Gold, silver, saffron, etc. are measured in gram or milligram with the help of electronic balance. Electronic balance is an accurate instrument. It is protected by keeping in a glass box or plastic box, such that air or wind should not affect the reading. Next, wheat, rice are measured in quintal. Cloth is measured in meters. In Paris, France, and this is France, and in that Paris. So वहाँ पे एक रॉड रखा है, वो रॉड की मेजरमेंट 1 मीटर है. वो बना है इरिडियम और प्लेटिनम से. तो इरिडियम और प्लेटिनम का अलॉय है वो, और वो एक स्टैंडर्ड मेजरमेंट है 1 मीटर की. मतलब उसी रॉड की जो लेंथ होती है उसको 1 मीटर बोलते हैं हम लोग. और वो ख़राब नहीं हो जानी चाहिए, कुछ रस्ट होके कुछ ख़राब नहीं हो जाना चाहिए, इसलिए उसको बॉक्स में रखते हैं हम लोग. और लास्ट पॉइंट इज वाइल पेंटिंग अ सर्फेस इट्स एरिया इज़ कंसिडर्ड. दिस मीन्स दैट अगर कोई सर्फेस जैसे बॉल है उसको अपने को पेंट करना है, तो कितना पेंट लगेगा ये उसके एरिया से डिसाइड नहीं होगा, ये उसके सरफेस एरिया से डिसाइड होगा. क्योंकि हम लोग पेंट तो सरफेस एरिया पर लगाने वाले हैं ना, उसके अंदर तो नहीं लगाने वाले. उसके वॉल्यूम का क्या लेना देना है, उसके भी सरफेस का लेना देना है. सो वाइल पेंटिंग अ सरफेस इट्स एरिया इज़ कंसिडर्ड. सिंपल. तो हो गया ये चैप्टर. मैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर का भी ऐसे रीडिंग अपलोड करूँगी अगर अच्छा लगा तो. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.